majesty seated above every height. Our Father in heaven, the source of all life. You are El Elyon, the God most high. Your justice is perfect, your mercy draws nigh. Jehovah Jireh, our provider and guide. Jehovah Shalom, in your peace we abide. Your character flawless, your goodness untold. The Ancient of Days are more precious than gold. Oh, the God of covenant love, you gave us your Son, the great redemption story, forever begun. You sent Jesus Christ, our deliverer and Lord, to prove your compassion, fulfilling your word. He died to redeem us from sin and from death, from sickness and poverty. With his final breath, your love is the anchor, the reason we live, the greatest gift given that only you give. Through the blood of the Lamb, we are justified, no longer condemned, but accepted and tried from eternal death. Your Spirit set free, a heritage of life for all to now see. The curse of the law forever undone, the victory secured, the battle is won. You broke every chain, you reversed every loss, because of the power held deep in the cross. How do we know you? How do we draw near? By bowing our hearts and banishing fear. The fellowship deepens when we open the page. Your word is the mirror that sets us on stage. The Spirit reveals the deep truths of the King, the secrets of grace that your promises bring. To know your deep love is the highest degree. Our intimacy sealed for all eternity. give